Sakubona mfundi, I want to teach you today how to say I am almost doing this or I'm about to do this in Ndebele. So you'll notice that it's easier to just say I've done this. For example, I have finished. Sengiqedile. Okay? I have left. Sengisukile. Okay? I have cooked. Sengiphekile. I have eaten. Sengidlile. All right, but sometimes you want to say I'm almost or I'm about to do this. Okay, so shout out to Joel Chawada. Thank you for your question that led me to do this video to properly explain this for you. So I really love the questions and the feedback because they guide me to teach you guys things that you actually want to learn, things that you want to use in real time. All right, so let's start with you talking about yourself, right? So you are saying, if you want to say I have finished, we said sengiqedile, right? It's already done. I've finished. But if you want to say I'm almost finishing, I'm about to finish, sengizaqeda. The za there is the one that signifies something that's about to happen. All right. How about I have come in? You are going to say sengingenile. I'm about to come in, sengizangena. Okay. I have left, sengisukile. But if you want to say I am about to leave, what do you say? Sengizasuka. That's all you add there. Sengiza. When you hear someone saying za, sengiza. No, they are about to do something. They're telling you about something that's almost happening. All right. Another example would be I'm almost there, right? When people are waiting for you, you want to say I'm almost there. First of all, how do you say I have arrived? Or I'm now here. Sengifikile. So now how will you say I am almost arriving? Sengizafika. If you want to say I'm almost arriving there, you say sengizafika lapho. All right. So let's talk about you talking in plural, saying we are about to arrive. We are about to come in. Okay. So this whole time you say sengizafika. The ngi there is the one that was talking about I. Mina sengizafika. But now you want to say Tina, we. Okay, what do you say? We are about to arrive. Sesizafika. Okay, whenever you're talking about Tina, we, you say Tina sesizafika. Sesi, okay, you're comparing that with sengi when you're talking about one person, when you're talking about yourself. Okay, so how will you then say we what did we say? We are about to finish. Sesizaqeda. Okay, how about we have finished? Sesiqedile. Okay, we are about to come in. Sesizangena. All right, we are about to leave. Sesizasuka. Make sense? All right. So you want to also be able to say things are almost happening when you're talking about someone else. All right. So let's start with you talking about one person, he or she. You want to say yena. Yena, he or she is about to do this. He or she is almost doing this. All right. He is about to start. Yena sezaqalisa. He is about to finish. Yena sezaqeda. Okay. She is about to cry. Sezakhala. He is about to laugh. Yena sezahleka. Okay, that's how you talk about someone else. And then if you want to talk about them as a group, it's now bona, they. Okay. Bona sebezaqeda, they are about to finish. Bona sebezaqalisa, they are about to start. Okay. How about if you want to use people's names? You're just going to remove bona and put the names. Okay. For example, Ayanda Loscelo sebezahleka. They are about to laugh. All right. What if they're about to cry? Bona sebezakhala. Angithi? Good. And then you also want to be able to talk about items. For example, the rain. To say the rain is about to fall. The sun is about to get really hot, right? Let's find out how to say that. How do you say it's raining right now? Izulu liyana, izulu being the rain. Now we want to say it's about to rain. Izulu selizakuna. All right, selizakuna. The sun is hot, ilanga liyachisa. The sun is about to get hot, ilanga selizachisa. All right, how about, let's take it to the plural a bit. You want to say the fruits are about to ripen. Okay, first of all, how do you say the fruits are now ripe? Izithelo sezivuthiwe. So how will you say they are about to? Izithelo sezizavuthwa. Okay, sezizavuthwa. Another plural, you want to say the food is almost ready. How do you say, first of all, that is ready? Ukudla sekulungile. The food is almost ready. Ukudla sekuzalunga. All right, let me know if it makes sense and I'll see you next time.